Hi, good morning. In this video I'm going to prove this nice expression of equality. We have 1 over square root of a plus square root of b plus 1 over square root of b plus square root of c equal 2 times over square root of a plus square root of c. We have this condition a plus c equal 2 times b for all real numbers a, b, c are the positive numbers, not including 0. Okay, this is National Math Olympiad of Morocco 2008. Okay, this is not too hard, but I'm doing this one to show you how to deal with square root and conjugate, how to take square root off from the denominator, okay, by doing this problem. Okay, let's start with two first terms first, then we'll get arrived to the term which is located on the right side of equation. Okay, let's start by writing these terms now. 1 over square root of a plus square root of b plus second term which is 1 over square root of b plus square root of c, okay, equal. Let's multiply the first term by conjugate, so which is square root of a minus square root of b over square root of a minus square root of b multiply by square root of a plus square root of b. Okay, same thing with the second term, square root of b minus square root of c over square root of b minus square root of c multiplied by square root of b plus square root of c, right? So I will put this one as a big A, as a whole thing. Big A equal this one, square root of a minus square root of b. My goal just to simplify square root from denominator by multiplying both sides, numerator and denominator, by square root of a minus square root of b. If you take a look at here, this is 1 square root of a minus square root of b over square root of a minus square root of b equal 1. Okay, if you simplify this one, you will go back to the original fraction where you came from. Okay, so this one, the same thing with the second term. Let's calculate this one. What is this? This is very simple, just you are applying the identity, which is this one, a, the product of a minus b and a plus b, okay, equal what? Equal a square minus b square. Okay, you can put it right away. I can put it to simplify it in detail, so let's put it as you see it here, but I will distribute it in this one, so this one multiplied by this one is giving us square root of a square. By multiplying this one by this one is giving you square root of a square b, but we have the other second term which has minus square b multiplied by square a. It will be simplified, cancelled out because of the sign, because one is positive, the other is negative, which is 0. So the last term will be minus square b square, which is this one here. Okay, same thing with the last term, second term, square root of b minus square root of c over this one is giving you are calculating it in the same way. It is giving you b square, okay, minus square root of c square. Okay, now be careful when you are taking out the number out of square root. Okay, be careful here. You have to put absolute value, but in our case absolute value, the numbers are positive, so you don't worry about the absolute value. in our problem because all the numbers are positive. But even though you should put it, you should show it, because to make sure you have a positive number, then you take the absolute value off easily, okay, simply. So this one equal always as absolute value of square of a, which is a. Same thing with b. This one equal b. This one square the absolute value. Okay, I'm just showing you there. You have to do it in this way. So square root of a, the first term, minus square root of b over a minus b, plus square of b minus square root of c over b minus c. Okay, so this one, let's work on this condition to see what's the connection between b minus c and a minus b. Okay, let's put it. We have, as you see here, we have, let's put it in this side. We have a plus c equal to b, which is b plus b, right? I need a minus b. Let's take the b to the other side by changing the sign to negative sign, which is a minus b. Same thing with b. We put one b here, then bring up c to the other side, and then the sign will be changed to negative. Okay, so our equation becomes this one: a minus b equal b minus c. Let's plug in here into this fraction to see what's giving us. So the a is a big A equal square root of a minus square root of b over a minus b. Let's put it b minus c, for example. A little bit as is it. Sorry. Yeah, because they are equal. Okay. So this one square b minus square c, square root of c, equal b minus c. Okay. So this one, let's factor one b minus c outside of this both fractions. So this one will be cancelled out. This one. So you will have just square root of a plus minus square root of c. All right. So that's what you have now. Now, but we are going to change this one into this one by multiplying by conjugate. Okay. So a equal 1 b minus c multiplied by square root of a minus square root of c multiplied by square root of a plus square root of c over square root of a plus square root of c. So it's giving you 1 b minus c over, same thing, we are applying this identity, which is giving you a square minus b square, which is a square, square root of a square is a with absolute value a. Since you have the number is positive a, so you don't have to put the whole thing. So you can put just a minus c, right? Over square root of a plus square root of c. Okay, this one same time equal a minus c over b minus c 1 over square root of a plus square root of c. Okay, I'm running out of the room. I'm bringing this one, clean the board, and I bring this one at the top. Then we continue. Let's continue now. We have a equal a minus c over b minus c multiplied by 1 over square root of a plus square root of c. Okay, as you see here, you almost get to your results. Okay, because we have the denominator of this fraction is the same, but just you have a minus c over b minus c. Okay, so we have to find out to make the connection between a minus c and b minus c. Okay, let's work on this condition as we have before. So let's work on the first equation. A plus C equal to B, but at this time I need A minus C. A minus C, put it A minus C plus another C. Just by adding one C, subtracting this another C, the plus the original C, that's what you have before. Okay, so I minus C equal, let's bring C plus C is 2C, 2C, put it in the other side, it becomes 2 minus C, let's factor by 2, so 2B minus 2C, factor by 2, gives you B minus C. Okay, what to do now? You have two equations. You have A minus C equal 2 times B minus C. We have 4C. Let's bring 2C to the other side by changing the sign of C, which is 2 minus C. Okay? Let's factor by 2. So become 2 factor B minus C. Right? Or what to do now? Just dividing B minus C over A minus C. Okay? So we have A minus C divide A minus C by B minus C. So A minus C over B minus C equal to. Okay, this is the connection between A minus C and B minus C. So that this fraction equal to. So let's put it here. So 2 multiplied by 1 over C over 1 over square root of A plus square root of C. So now we proved our equation. So A equal 1 over square root of A plus square root of B plus 1 over square root of B plus square root of C equal this one, 2 square root of A plus square root of C. Okay, we prove it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I will see you in next video. Bye.